What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're jumping back into the Crown and we're going to be installing a Bluetooth adapter. So it's going to go behind the dash and you're going to be able to just press the CD button, CD changer button again, and it will jump over to Bluetooth. So you can then obviously Bluetooth your phone to the car for music and all that sort of thing. So this is it here. This is what we're going to be installing. And if you need to see how to pull apart your dash, the center console and the surround around the actual head unit, just go to my video linked up here. It shows you exactly how to pull that out. And then you can be at the exact same point I will be in about 10 seconds. Okay guys, to install your Bluetooth connector, this one that I showed you in the little clip before, you need to pull your whole dash out. So if you want to see that, if I didn't refer back to the card in the previous clip, it's just up the top or it's earlier in the video. You need to pull the dash out, you need to get to the back. So you need to find the CD changer plug, which looks exactly like this bad boy. And then you're going to pull it out, plug this in, and then plug the CD changer into this plug, okay? And the plug that you want for your Bluetooth is just that one there, all the way at the bottom, all the way to the passenger side for right-hand drive cars. So it's just down there. You pull it out and then you plug the CD changer back into the Y piece. So once you've plugged that in, guys, you just want to feed this. I'm going to feed it into my glove box so that the charger that's sitting there is always available for me to plug into. And also if you have a friend jump in your car and they want to plug in their auxiliary cord, boom, it's right there. Okay, so it's easy to access. You also need to route your mic to wherever you want to position it, and I'll just put that somewhere in a minute. So if you need to see how to pull your glove box out, video link is just on the top of the screen. You can pull that out and then feed this straight into it. Just so you guys know, easier to feed this back into behind the stereo. I don't think you're going to be able to feed this through the little hole there. There's not much space. It can just be fed into your glove box. Okay, now we just need to do that all backwards and put it all back together. So thanks for coming along for that little Bluetooth install, guys. I hope that it's been helpful. I hope that the links to the dash removal and the glove box removal were also helpful. And I hope that you enjoyed it. So please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.